Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix a Bosch washer with a flashing key symbol. The key symbol on your Bosch washer indicates that the child lock or key lock feature is activated. When this symbol flashes, it can prevent you from using your washer. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, check your user manual to see if the child lock or key lock feature was accidentally activated. If you are unable to find the information in the manual, proceed to the next step. Next, try to deactivate the child lock by pressing and holding the key symbol button on your washer for 3 to 5 seconds. This button is usually located on the control panel. Release the button when the symbol stops flashing. If the above step does not work, try resetting your washer. Unplug your washer from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset the washer and may resolve the issue. If the key symbol is still flashing after trying the above steps, it may indicate a more serious issue with your washer. In this case, you should contact a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the problem. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to familiarize yourself with the controls on your washer and be mindful of the child lock feature. Regularly check your user manual to understand the different features and settings on your washer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Bosch washer with a flashing key symbol and get it working again. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.